In today's video, I am going to teach you how to type on PDF in Pandadoc. To get started, open Pandadoc and go to the editor where your file lives. You can work from an existing document or from a template, depending on what you are trying to finish. Once you are in the Pandadoc editor, make sure you can see the PDF page where you want the typed text to appear. Take a moment to zoom in if the page looks small. This helps you place fields accurately and keeps your layout clean. Now you will add a text field to the PDF. In Pandadoc, you type on a PDF by placing text fields on top of the document, right where the information should go. Drag a text field onto the PDF and drop it in the correct spot. Then click directly on that field and type the information you want to appear. If you need to adjust the placement, you can click and drag the field slightly until it lines up with the area on the PDF, like a blank line or an empty box. If the goal is to have someone else type in that area, you will still use a text field, but you will assign it to a recipient. Drag the text field to the right location first, so the person filling it out does not have to hunt for it. Then open the field settings and assign that field to the correct recipient. This ensures the right person can enter text in the right place during completion or signing. After your text field is placed, you can format it so it matches the PDF and looks professional. Click the field to bring up the floating toolbar. From there, adjust the font size so the text fits the space, change alignment to match the form style, and tweak the color if needed for readability. A helpful tip is to keep formatting consistent across fields, especially if you are filling multiple lines on the same page. When everything is complete and all fields are filled in, finalize the document. Click Finish if you are completing it now, or click Send if you are ready to deliver it to recipients. Before you finalize, quickly scan the page to confirm every field is in the correct spot and nothing overlaps important text. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.